Hey everybody, this is Kershaw here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a knife. This is from Blades Canada, and let's open it. So what I've got here is a Kershaw knife. It is the Select Fire. As of right now, this is the most expensive knife that I've ever owned, but I've been in the trade for quite a long time here, getting close to 20 years, and I figured I'd buy myself a good knife. So here it is. So the special feature with the Kershaw Select Fire is that it's got these bits here. So it's pretty good for a trades guy because you're able to have a little screwdriver built into it. So you've got two flat bits and two Phillips. Now the disappointing thing here is that it's made in America. Well, actually it's made in China now, but Americans don't use Robertson, and over here in Canada we use Robert. So it's a little disappointing that it doesn't have Robertson bits, or at least one Robertson bit, but I'm just going to change one of these Phillips for a Robertson, I guess. So yeah, this is the knife here. It pulls out probably about 3.5 inches. Folds nicely. It has a belt clip, very strong, and supposedly a lifetime warranty. It's got a measurement chart right here, although I believe that's millimeters. Doesn't really say anything. Oh, over here we've got 1/8, 1/4, so on and so on. So you can kind of get a measurement. It's got a bottle opener built into it as well. So I'd recommend this screwdriver, or this knife, for anybody that finds themselves wanting a screwdriver out in the field, like a tradesperson, or could use one. I'll find this very handy. I specifically was looking for a knife with a screwdriver built into it that was not too bulky. I didn't want to go with a Leatherman. I find they're too heavy, too much to pack around, and to be honest, not really much on there useful. Like, if I'm going to use pliers, I'm just going to go in my tool bag and get some pliers. But if I'm walking around with a flashlight in my pocket and a knife in my pocket, and I happen to need to adjust a screw, or, you know, loosen something, it's better than trying to use my fingernail, right? So that's kind of why I wanted a knife with a screwdriver built into it, or screwdriver capabilities built into it. So yeah, lifetime warranty on this thing. I've heard it's a pretty good knife. It feels light, doesn't feel too heavy. I know that a lot of people do like a cut test with paper, but I think that's kind of whack, because who's ever going to cut paper? So I'll do a little cut test here with some cardboard just to see how this does. It seems to cut cardboard pretty good, so I'll be ripping open a few hot water tank boxes with this, I'm sure, and put it to good use. If you guys like that video, please rate, like, and subscribe.